I even hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division. The lessons we're going to cover today are divide by 5, divide by 6, divide by 7, and divide by 8. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm chapter on right now is division skill builders. Let's just start with the lesson that is divide by 5. 50 divided by 5. So basically division and multiplication are related. When you are dividing, we need to count the multiplication tables. 50 divided by 5. You have to count the table of 5 till 50. Or the easier way is just divide the non-zero values, right? 5 times 1 is 5 and then add a 0 at the end, so that is 10. Let's just start with the test questions. Fifteen divided by 5. So now you need to count the table of 5 until you have the answer. 15. So let's just count the table of 5 until 15. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 3 is 15. So which is the correct option? You have to go 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Option number 3 is the correct option. 5 times 3 is 15. The answer is 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 5. So you need to count a table of 5 until you have the answer 45. 5 times 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 4 is 20, 5 is 25, 6 is 30, 7 is 35, 8 is 40, and 5 times 9 is 45. So the correct option is 5 times 9. That means 45 divided by 5 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 9. 40 divided by 5, which is the correct option. 5 times what number is 40? Forty divided by 5 is 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Very good. 10 divided by 5. So which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 2 because 5 times 2 makes 10. 35 divided by 5, which is the correct option? Very good. 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 divided by 5. Dividing a number by itself always makes the answer 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 25 divided by 5. Twenty-five divided by 5 is 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Very good. 50 divided by 5, which is the correct option? That is 10. 50 divided by 5 is 10. The last option is the correct option. 30 divided by 5, which is the correct option? 5 times 6 is 30. The correct option is option number 1. That is 6. 20 divided by 5. 4 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is divide by 6. Let's just start with the lesson. 18 divided by 6. You need to count a table of 6 until 18. So 6 times what number is 18? 6 times 3 is 18. The correct option is 3. Let's start with the test questions. 18 divided by 6. That's the one we just did. So which is the correct option? That is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. 42 divided by 6. 6 times what number is 42? 6 times 7 is 42. The correct option is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Option number 1 is the correct option. You need to count a table of 6 until 42. Let's just start with the test questions. Let's just move on to the next one. 48 divided by 6. So which is the correct option? Six times what number is 48? 6 times 8 is 48. The correct option is 8. 24 divided by 6. Which is the correct option? 6 times 4 is 24. The correct option is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. Thirty divided by 6, which is the correct option? 6 times what number is 30? 6 times 5 is 30. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is 6 divided by 6, which is the correct option. Six times 1 is 6. The correct option is 1. Forty-eight divided by 6, which is the correct option. Six times 8 is 48. The correct option is 8. 48 divided by 6 is 8. The correct option is 8. 36 divided by 6. 6 times what number is 36? Which is the correct option? Six times 6 is 36. The correct option is 6. Eighteen divided by 6, which is the correct option? Six times 3 is 18. The correct option is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Forty-two divided by 6, 6 times. What number is 42? Six times 7 is 42. The correct option is 7. Option number 2 is the Correct option. Six divided by six, which is the correct option? Six divided by six is one. Option number two is the correct option. 30 divided by six, which is the correct option? 30 divided by 6 is 5, so the correct option is 5 because 6 times 5 makes 30. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is divide by 7. Let's just start with the lesson. 14 divided by 7. You need to count a table of 7 until 14. So 7 times 2 is 14. Let's just start with the test questions. Fifty-six divided by 7. 7 times what number is 56? 7 times 8 is 56. The correct option is 8. Seven divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1 because 7 times 1 is 7. Seventy divided by 7, which is the correct option? 7 times 10 is 70. The correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Forty-nine divided by 7 is that is 7 times 7 is 49. The correct option is 7. That is 49 divided by 7 is 7. 21 divided by 7, which is the correct option. That is 7 times 3 is 21. So the correct option is 3. The correct option is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Fourteen divided by 7. Fourteen divided by 7 is 2. The correct option is 2. Forty-two divided by 7. 7 times 6 is 42. The correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is divide by 8. Let's just start with the test question. 40 divided by 8, which is the correct option? So 40 divided by 8 is that is 8 times 8 times 5 is 40. The correct option is 5. Seventy-two divided by 8, which is the correct option? 8 times 9 is 72, so the correct option is 9. Eight times 7 is 56. The correct option is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sixty-four divided by 8. 8 times 8 is 64, so the correct option is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sixteen divided by 8 equals 8 times 8 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. The correct option is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Twenty-four divided by 8 is 8 times 3 is 24. The correct option is 3. Forty-eight divided by 8. 8 times 6 is 48. The correct option is 6. Eight times 1 is 8. The correct option is 1. 2 divided by 8. 8 times 9 is 72. The correct option is 9. 32 divided by 8, which is the correct option. Eight times 4 is 32. The correct option is 4. Okay, we are left with only one question. Let's just finish. 56 divided by 8. 8 times 7 is 56. The correct option is 7. Okay, you can complete that. We are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is division skill builders. The lessons we have covered today are divide by 5, divide by 6, divide by 7, and divide by 8. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box and answer all questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the question in the chat box. Any questions? No questions?